There we go. Edie's got a bed.
Yo, welcome back to the channel, and today it's the first day we're working on the Purple Turd since Edie's been born. Inside is a really big mess. Since it's a big mess, we're going to clean it all out this morning and we're going to try build Edie's bed in this video. Let's go!
So it's that time of year and it's freezing and we're back to doing the Purple Turd. Somebody called it the Purple Jewel. I think I like that a bit more. So obviously on the surprise arrival of Edie, we need to figure out where she's going to sleep. So we have decided that the girls aren't going to lose their seating area down the end, because I think they've had to compromise enough recently due to the fact that they've now got a surprise baby sister, and they're going to need that space to chill, do homework, just play a game or do whatever it is that they want to do. So we have decided to compromise on storage space. So Phoebe turns the camera around. So we were going to put some drawers here and have like a little bit of a landing, but we are now going to put a bed here. It's slightly shorter than the other girls, but I think we've got a fair few years before Edie actually needs a full-size bed. So yeah, what we're going to do is build it the same as what the other girls have got, and then make sure that we block it in at one side so that she's got a bit of safety for when she's in her bed. Because let's be real, she's not going to be sleeping in a bed for the next year or so. So yeah, I think that's what we're going to do. How do you feel about not losing your space, Phoebes?
Happy.
That's good then.
So before we start building upstairs and getting our bed sorted, my board man's been, and the bus now says, when it comes on in a minute, 7 in the bus. You probably can't see very well because of the rain, but that is now saying 7 in the bus. I'll show you around and show you. It's terrible, it's raining again. 7 in a bus. Okay, Edie's bed is put together. I think we're just going to slide it down into the garden. It needs to either tidy out. We did a bit last weekend. Pop it into there, Nick, and see what it looks like.
Yep.
Ready? So that allows 18 mil there, 18 mil there, plus 9 plus 18 here, and 18 there. Yep. And that is another bed.
Obviously, safety concerns, she's going to have...
Yeah, so when the bedrooms are done, they're going to have CAD design fronts with like their own openings. We're going to put the opening of these obviously in the middle for the bigger girls, but Edie's opening will come out at the top end of her bed, so it'll be like a proper bunk hidden at the top. So if she rolls, she doesn't roll down the stairs. So obviously the opening will be here for her. But yeah, I'm happy that that's in.
Yeah,
go and get Edie and we'll try her on it. Go on, go and get her.
No, because it'll be hard.
It's alright. Right, we'll get this bit of board out. Just a bit of spare 18. Right. We'll lay that there so it's secure. This will be the first time that Edie's been in the purple bus because she's not been in here yet. Let's see what she thinks. Okay, we've got a baby.
Right, what you want?
Ready?
A teeny tiny baby.
She's in our all-weather gear today because it's not very nice out. Did you bring a blanket?
No.
Okay, we're just going to raw dog it on the bed. Right, Edie, are you ready to go in your bed? She's asleep.
Where's the bed?
Ready?
That's not her bed. Is that how you have bed?
There we go. Edie's got a bed.
Let me see her bed.
She's all sparkle. What do you think to your bed? Well, the first bit of it anyway.
Smiling. She's smiling.
Do you like your bed?
She was smiling at me.
She's like, you've woken me up, why have you brought me outside? It's so cold. But yeah, obviously she's got a lot of growing room to do in her bed. Right, so now we've got Edie's bed in, I'm feeling a lot more optimistic and I think a little bit more positive about the whole build. And not that we've gone off it, we're still doing it, we're ploughing on with it, just I had a lot of questions about bringing up a baby or toddler when we move into this on the bus. It is not difficult, it's not even difficult, it's different. Obviously, Poppy, Phoebe, Summer and Luna have always lived in a house before they did this, so they know what it was like to live in a house, where Edie's never gonna sort of experience that. And I had a long conversation with Nicole last week about the pros and cons. John will be laughing from work because we do pros and cons and everything about living in the bus at that age. And we've made the green bus work. Like, she's in a Moses basket at the minute, which is fine for sleeping. We've got room downstairs, so when she starts to want to have some like tummy time on her back, playing with toys, there's room for that in that sort of area. Everyone used to say to me, that's such a wasted space. Well, actually it's not, because we can now use it for tummy time, putting like play mats on the floor, which is great. Now in terms of this, there's a lot more space. Like, even putting this extra bed in, which I'm actually sat on Edie's bed, which you've seen us building. They've still got the wardrobe, they've still got their lounge area. Me and Nicole still got our own separate bedroom. Downstairs will be big enough for an extra person. Like, we've got an island kitchen being installed. You know, there's room. There's plenty of room. The bathroom's big enough. Except we're only going to have one bathroom, which I think I might later regret. But hey, we're getting there. So now this is in. We've got loads of wood on order for framing out this. That's not due till the middle of next week. So I've just put a small order in at Wicks to go and get some more CLS timber. Because I'm going to build the kids' seating area down in their living room. So we're doing a bit of research because I've never built a bench before. Built the beds now, which is very similar sort of build that we're going to do for the bench, but we're going to do them at 45 or 46 centimetres high, which should be good height for sitting on. And then we'll do the backrest at 10 degrees, so we'll give them a bit of a lean back, which will cover up a quarter of the window but leaves that front bit very light and very airy. Because the other thing that people have been saying is obviously their concerns with the amount of light that's going to be upstairs. It is going to be very dark, but there's also going to be lots of light in areas that I want light. So the bedrooms will be dark. Beds are for sleeping in. They're not there to be sat in the day. The kids don't stay in their beds. They're up and about. They're up at 5:30, 6 o'clock this morning, up and about doing stuff. And it's pitch black outside because it's wet. It's actually like 1 o'clock in the afternoon and it's pitch black. The lights are on in here. It's only just light enough now. So yeah, and we prefer it darker than lighter. That's just the way we are. So I will run down to Wicks and we'll pick up this wood and then let's get building down that bottom bit with some benches. Might have them in today. It'll be a good win if we can. Right, and bear with me, I'm using a new camera, so I'm sort of getting used to it. But hopefully the sound's slightly better for you and we're a bit more like in scene. So let's get down to Wicks. One more thing just to sort of put it out there as well. The videos, we've been asking what sort of content we're going to be putting out going forward. Now, we don't film content in the sense of we film this for the content. We film it how it is. So there'll be probably on a Sunday video will be a bit on the Purple Turd, a bit of what Nicole's been up to with the kids and Edie, things that we may be struggling with, things that are going well. She's just brought a slow cooker, Nicole, so she's buzzing. She'll probably see some of that later on in this video, bagging out the slow cooker, because we've never used a slow cooker before in a bus. Sounds silly, but again, power constraints. But now obviously with the new Fogstar battery, we can use a slow cooker and leave it on and not have to worry about power. So that might be coming up. There'll be a lot more of a build. It'll just be more what we're getting up to, a bit more of a sort of range of things rather than just build. But the build's obviously the main focus at the minute for me because I need to get it done. So yeah, I just thought I'd clear that one up while I'm here as well. Do you need some L plates on?
Huh?
Do you need some L plates?
No.
Go on then, get to the van. It's like a Halloween walkway, this with the lights on. If you were down to the woods today. It's very cold in here. Right, we're now focusing on what is going to be the girls' sort of lounge sort of sitting area. So into here, we're going to build a bench. Both sides to be a mirror each side, basically 110 centimetres wide, which then they can sit on, and we'll put a table into here, so they've got like their lounge area away from.
Not like foldable tables on these? Foldable
tables, there's tables that we can put onto the floor, there's tables that can come out of this. So we'll see what we can get, but we're going to go and cut. We've made a bit of a plan here of what we're going to draw up. So we need to go and cut some bits now and see what we get. I've lost my pen again. What did I do with my pen? Oh, I'm forever losing my pen.
Why not take it down there?
I don't know what I did. I was using it to write on that. What have I done? I'm forever losing my pen. Aunt Phoebe brought me a pencil earlier. I can't find that either. Reminds, we'll see what we're doing. So just measuring out my 110s. Get them all cut. I need 4 of those. So we'll get them done. And then we'll go from there. I have used ChatGTP as well for my dimensions of what a chair should be like. So hopefully this should be alright.
Will 110 fit in?
110 width, yeah, it does fit. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I measured it earlier. So the base is in. Nicole, do you want to take a seat? The bottom bit in. So it's sort of...
Watch it collapse while I'm sat
they're quite high, but it'll allow room for them to also grow and the great bit of storage underneath. And obviously they can sit with their legs up on there and stuff. So I need to make the angles for the back, which I'm going to do 10-degree angles. And then that should allow for them to have a comfy space to sit in there, and obviously with a table in the middle to do the homework on. It's better than nothing. So at least they've got their own space, their own sort of living room. And obviously the media wall's there, which we'll fill in with.
It's going to be a bit close for them, I think.
It's going to be, it's going to be a bit enclosed, but again, it's better than having nothing, isn't it?
Yeah.
So let's go and make the 10 degrees, which I've never done before, so this is new for me.
So I have a slow cooker. And it's been 3 years since I've had a slow cooker. So one thing that I've really missed about living on the bus is having a slow cooker and an electric kettle. So, but now we've got that extra power, it means that we can power things. So we've got a slow cooker, electric kettle, and we've also got a microwave. So I have made a stew. I will show you in a second. It's got carrots, potatoes, stewing steak, and some onion in it at this moment in time, with a bit of beef stock. As it gets closer to finishing, I will put some Henderson's relish in it to give it that really nice flavour. But yeah, no, so the power has been an absolute lifesaver. So now not only can I quick boil some water, I can also use a slow cooker. I've only put it on for medium at this moment in time. Could put it on high, but we'll try medium setting and see how long that cooks. So I don't know what the time is now, but hopefully by about 6-7 o'clock that'll be ready to eat. So yeah, looking forward to that. Yeah, so we've got some carrots, some potatoes, some onion. I've got onion, white onion, red onion in there. So yeah, as you can see, it's getting a bit hot now, and hopefully in a few hours that will look delicious. So
I've just knocked up the next bits of wood for the opposite side seating area. Now, I said I was going to put a back on them, and I quite liked it. It sits level with the bottom of the window. Now, the windows are reinforced there, so I'll probably just leave that as like a flat top for this, sit on it, and see how that goes for the minute. With a bit of 18mm ply on top, which will be the lid for the storage that will open up. So it's 20 to 9 now. So literally I'm going to knock this one together, edit this video up, ready for obviously tomorrow morning. So that'll be it for today. It's getting cold. It's getting very cold. It's wet. It's been raining all for the last 2 days, so it's very damp as well. But we're winning. We have got a couple of leaks on the sidewalls. You might have seen if you look carefully in the video. A bits of wood that are a bit damp and wet in places. We've marked them with a marker pen so I can go and investigate. It's the seals on the outside of the windows. I have got some sealant for the windows to redo them, so I'll be looking at once it dries up and it's safe for me to go up a ladder. Check me out, doing health and safety. I'll be up having a look, sorting those out. So I'm going to leave that one here. Thank you so much for watching. And any questions, drop them in the comments. And I'll see you on Wednesday at 4 o'clock. Have a good one.